All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. I got a factor here in the house, and I'm gonna try to maintain a little bit, to try to swap the magnets and see what we can do with this magnetic thing. It's pretty cool, super fidgety. I'm just gonna use a T6. I never approached this guy, so I have no idea of what I'm doing. So don't take this, as the reference. I'm just gonna see what's going on inside this fella. So shall we start from this side? From this side, I'm gonna do this side because I don't know. So let's go ahead. I'm just gonna start with this little screw right over here. I'm just gonna keep it right here. So you got 3 slots. I'm gonna do this other one right there. That's the second one. Right, like so. There you go. And the third one for the scale, which was a little bit loose. Very good. We're doing some maintenance here. So let me open the blade, see the scale budges a little bit. Yeah, here. So here, I think I'm just gonna use some plastic tool. There you go. So we don't ruin. It's pretty cool pivot, actually, I have to say. It's unusual. I just slotted like so, right? And we have a spare one right there, which is the same. So, all right, let's do this, guys. So we got this thing that just comes out, and we're going to use this little tool to push the pivot out, which is keyed in. And let me see if I need to just disengage the lock to remove the pin, which is captive, like that, right? So now, yeah, we should be able to open everything like so and see how this guy is done. So we got... yeah, of course, this guy is just going to stay there, but it's attracted with the magnet. Ah, okay, so I see what is going on. All right, so we got this there, we got that there, we got the bearings out. So now, that's an interesting mechanism you can see right over here. So if you want to remove this fella, probably gotta open everything up. So I'm just gonna do, because this is the weakest magnet, so actually, let me see, so it would have to be open this guy and removed the clip as well. This guy just pops out, and these two fellas, these are screwed in like so. This is magnetic as well. So the magnet is this guy over here. But, oops. I see now. So this is the... So now I think the magnet doesn't need anything to be removed, actually. It just needs to pop out because it's like 2 magnets, if I'm not mistaken. So definitely this is moving. This guy can just stay here. Like so. So, yeah, I think, not really sure, guys. So I'm just going to leave it there. I don't want to mess up with anything. So it's just gonna, I'm not going to change the magnet. I changed my mind, not the magnet. And I'm just going to do a cleanup of this thing. So I'm going to do a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a little bit of a microfiber cloth just to do the bearings here, cleaning the pivot. Yeah, it's gonna be fun to put this back together. I have no clue on how am I gonna do it. Just clean the inside. and cleaning the blade, which was pretty dry. But let's go ahead. So for sure, this fella is gonna go here, but as you can see, it just doesn't want to stay there unless we do some kind of trick. So this will have to be kept in place. So this guy goes right over here. And so now it's gonna be tricky because this guy, you see, wants to jump right there. And we have to lube a little bit. So I'm just gonna use like 10 weight nano oil. Right, so I'm just gonna do it here for now. And also here for now, so we got this. Then this fella goes here. Has to stay here, all right? This guy obviously goes back right here, which is gonna break the detent. Then we got this fella right over here, so we should block, you see, this from going that direction, which is all right. So pretty much I think we're gonna have to do something like sandwiching like here and making sure that first of all the bearing is in place. And then I just realized we have this guy which goes on the back, which is keyed in like so, which is gonna be your buddy to prevent the washer to go from this place to the other place. Then you get your blade in place like so. And then you got your bearing in place like that. It's pretty straightforward actually. This guy is just gonna be like so. Correct? Let's see, I hope. Not this guy. This guy over here. And we're gonna do these screws and see. Okay. So I'm not really sure. That's nice. And the third is here. There you go. So this is nice, I hope. Oh, just forgot to tighten these guys a little bit more. There you go. Yeah, the swing is there. I was hoping, because you see it's a little bit off center. So this place is, this, you see there's like little gaps. And these screws are pretty tight. I don't want to over tighten these T6, but you see from the back. Yeah, they're pretty good. The clip is tightened up. Handle screws are done. But still, I see a little bit of a gap. I mean, it's all right. The swing, ding. That's a pretty cool, fun knife. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and again, stay tuned.